I think the most typical way that people try and recover by themselves is that they go to a doctor. I say this a lot, that the system has let them down. It's not their fault, because you think about it, when we were growing up, we were told that if we got sick, what do? You go to the doctor, you say, "Doctor, I've got this problem. Can you give me the pill?" They give you some antibiotics, and then time kind of heals the rest. And with chronic fatigue syndrome, it doesn't work like that. There's no quick fix pill. And I don't think there ever will be, because chronic fatigue syndrome is such a multifaceted illness and it affects every aspect of one's life. If you think about it, it affects people physically, cognitively, emotionally, spiritually. Like it's not just one thing. And so, most people will go on the route of finding a pill, a doctor, someone or something to fix their problem. And it can take years until they realize, and it's usually after spending, thousands of dollars. We had one client who spent $30,000 on treatment before she joined our program. Now, the difference is our program doesn't claim to fix you or give you something to fix yourself. We simply help people help themselves get healthy and start living again. So we have a completely different approach towards their illness, which isn't illness focused. It's actually health focused.